I rise to mark Tibetan Lobby Day, which is happening in the Australian Parliament today and tomorrow. This is a day when members of the Tibetan community who have carried both the pain of exile and the pride of their culture for so many decades now remind us of what is at stake when freedom is denied. Australia is fortunate to be a democracy and to respect human rights. We enjoy freedoms of speech, belief and association that Tibetans today are denied. But those freedoms we experience here in Australia come with responsibilities, because we cannot believe in democracy and sovereignty for ourselves and be indifferent when those same principles are threatened or denied abroad. That's why Tibetan Lobby Day matters. It is not a symbolic exercise, it is a reminder that our Parliament can and should use its voice on issues such as this. It means supporting the preservation of Tibetan language and religion in exile. It means ensuring that Tibetan Australians are recognised and valued as part of our national story. It means maintaining a respectful but open and frank dialogue with those nations who might choose to deny Tibetans their right to self-determination.